Okay, it is an unprecedented battle between Wall Street and social media users, and it is making headlines all over the world. Stock values for video game retailer GameStop catapulting past $300 per share, and that's thanks to Reddit users who were trying to beat back Wall Street pros who were betting its stock would crash. The Texas-based store has struggled to move online since the pandemic, and now it appears to be thriving thanks to the support that it has received from the internet. But is it? Is it? And are you still confused? Mike Epple, he's going to try to break this down for us right now as best as he can within this 2-minute frame. Mike, explain, please.
Yes, it's the so-called democratization of the investment world with these Reddit blog posts saying, buy GameStop to crush the hedge funds that bet against the company's future survival. And it's had a ripple effect. It's not just GameStop. It's companies like AMC Entertainment, the world's largest theater chain, which just earlier this week staved off bankruptcy, for goodness sakes, and its share prices has skyrocketed. BlackBerry's been caught up in the mix. It's seen its share price jump more than 100% this year. Bed Bath & Beyond actually has some pretty strong sales, but it's been a favorite of some of the hedge fund negative bets as well. And Build-A-Bear Workshop. Build-A-Bear. Well, look, shopping malls, they're closed in many locales, so they're not doing any sales. So what's the future prospects for Build-A-Bear and the future of retail? So that has been the focus for the hedge funds, Melanie. At the same time, the Reddit blog post this morning propelling GameStop, latest quote, $453 in pre-market trading. So up another 150 or thereabouts from yesterday.
Okay, so what's next? How long can this go?
Don't know. That's the question. Because, again, none of this is based on fundamentals. This is just based on chat rooms which say, $1,000, let's go. Okay, that's fine, except based on what? And who's going to be the last person to buy at $1,000 per share? Because you have to have a buyer when you also have a seller. So you can say it's going to a certain price, and maybe it'll get there, but at the same point, somebody's going to be left holding shares that are worth nowhere near what they paid for them at the end of the day. And the idea of Main Street, so to speak, and day traders pushing back against Wall Street for all of their past sins, so to speak, the financial crisis of 08-09, they're saying, well, let's crush Wall Street. I just saw a note that BlackRock, which is the world's largest investment fund manager, it owns part of GameStop, and its value has gone up from $137 million to $3 billion. So Wall Street's winning, regardless of what the efforts are of the Reddit sphere.
Okay, Mike. Yes, that was good. 2 minutes. Did everyone get that? Everyone got it here? Got it. We got it.
Yeah, we'll check back. We'll check back in a couple hours, see where it's at.
Okay, thanks, Mike. We'll do it all over again. Next time in 1 minute. Let's see if you can do it. All right.
Okay, we'll get talking even faster.
There's no way. There's no way. Thank you, Mike.